Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome to the tutorial online UT week number 7. This is our last day before the final week, and we still have another material to be discussed. And I would like to announce you that this week we have the last task that you should fulfill and submit to me. So don't postpone or wasting time, because you should hurry up to complete all of the tasks in the next week or the final week. Today we are going to discuss one materials about understanding written conversation. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the topic of the conversations. You will be able to identify the setting of a conversations, and the last one, you will also have the ability to identify the characteristic in a conversations. So the aim of this lesson, or the goal of this lesson, is to make you able to decide the topic, setting, or characters in a conversation. It means that you will apply this knowledge in not only text but also video or the film. Okay, so what should we know about topic? So the topic is the idea or the main idea of the conversations. It can be a word, phrases, or clauses in the conversation. Whether the setting, we can see or we know as where and when the conversation takes place. Whether the characteristic is the person who is involved in the conversations. So dialogue is a conversation between two or more people in a narrative word. Usually you will see or you will decide in a literature work, such as in a poem, or such as in a lyric, or maybe in a naskah, naskah in a drama dan sebagainya. So this is the example of the dialogue of conversations. You can or you will have time to identify the characteristic, the setting, and also the topic of the conversations by doing the discussions. And also, if you do not understand how to analyze three kinds consist in the conversations, you can easily ask to your friends or maybe ask to me in the chat box. Well, once again, don't forget to do to answer the question in discussion forum, and also do the last task in this week. Thank you very much for your attention. We will see again next week in the week number 8. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.